We're creating a 2-page spread with more Christmas scraps. I'm Emilee, and you've found Emilee's Paper Caper, where we're all about scrapping our stash and getting pages done. If you're new here, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button and bell icon now. So on New Year's Day, my daughter Audrey and I took a class with Painting to Go. We had these kits gifted to us by my daughter Kelly for Christmas, so we wanted to record our process. The kit came with everything we needed, including little easels and all the paints and sets of brushes, and we logged in online and were able to watch the instruction right there at home, and we had a great time. So let's see, I have a lot of photos here, 10 photos for a 2-page spread, which is a lot, but I'm going to make this happen. So the first thing I want to do is get the background set up. So I've painted borders on the top and bottom with watercolor. I have all of these paper scraps that I've cut into 3x4 sheets, and I'll create borders here and here with these. I'm gonna need 4 of them on each side. So I had so many paper scraps that I don't need them all, but I want to kind of pick and choose carefully what I use. I think I like those. So I love to use my paper scraps, and these will create borders and still leave plenty of room for photos. Some of my scraps weren't big enough to create a 3x4, so I've combined papers. I stamped this cute stamp on some paper and watercolored it with paints. So I want to cut some of these out to embellish this layout with. My friend Marcia gave me this cute stamp for Christmas. I think it's a really versatile Christmas stamp. keep on scrapping, everybody.